Hello, and welcome to our video on what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that deals with the creation of intelligent machines that can think and learn like humans. It involves the development of algorithms and systems that can process, analyze, and understand large amounts of data. There are several different types of AI, including Number 1. Reactive machines. These are the simplest form of AI, and they can only react to the environment. They have no memory and cannot use past experiences to inform their actions. Reactive machines are often used in applications that require real-time decision-making, such as self-driving cars, robots, and drones. Number 2. Limited memory. These machines have a limited memory, which allows them to use past experiences to inform their actions. An example of limited memory AI is used in robotics, where a robot is trained to navigate through an environment with reinforcement learning. The robot can sense the environment and make decisions based on the current state, but it doesn't store all the data. It only keeps the necessary information to make decisions. Number 3. Theory of mind. This type of AI is being developed to understand the beliefs, intentions, and emotions of other agents, including humans, animals, and other AI systems. It can use this understanding to predict their behavior and communicate with them effectively. An example is an AI-powered virtual assistant that can understand the context and intent of a user's request and respond accordingly. It can understand and respond to the emotions and intentions of people it interacts with. Number 4. Self-aware. This form of AI is a theoretical concept that refers to artificial intelligence systems that possess a sense of self-awareness, similar to that of human consciousness. It will be able to understand and represent its own mental states, such as its own beliefs, intentions, and emotions. It could also make decisions based on its own goals and objectives, rather than simply following pre-programmed instructions. Self-aware AI would have the ability to understand its own limitations, such as when it's running low on power or when it's malfunctioning, and take appropriate actions to address those issues. It's important to note that self-aware AI is still purely theoretical, and it's not yet developed. It's still an active area of research in the field of AI. AI is already being used in a wide range of industries, from healthcare to finance to transportation. It's helping to improve efficiency, accuracy, and decision-making. However, there are also concerns about the impact of AI on the job market and the potential for misuse. The field of AI is constantly evolving, and new developments are being made all the time. Some of the most exciting areas of research include natural language processing, computer vision, and machine learning. Overall, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work, but it's important to approach it with caution and to consider the ethical implications. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on artificial intelligence and other cutting-edge technologies.